Hello friends, this is Rajan Petkar and you are watching Mastercam Basic Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss grooving operation for the component shown in figure. So here, first of all, go to Mastercam, press F9 button and start the geometry with line command. See here, first diameter is 30, so I will take line from center of radial distance 15. Then horizontally next line is 10 mm. Then again vertical line up to diameter 44, that is radial distance is 7. So again take here from first point of line and length 7. Next distance is 20 in horizontal direction. Then here diameter for this groove is 40. So take here from 44 to 40 radially 2 mm distance. Next again 20 mm horizontal direction. Then again up to diameter 50. Click on the last point of previous line and vertical line, give the length 5. Again here 10 distance. Length is 10. Okay, complete this command. Now this is geometry. Here what I need to add is chamfer and fillets. Okay, here this is the fillet and all chamfers are 2 mm by 45. 45. First of all, I will draw here fillet with radius 2. Escape. Go to chamfer command now. Your chamfer distance is 2 and angle 45 means in x and y direction, all the two direction, chamfer distance is 2 mm. So this is the complete geometry. Complete this command. Okay, we have considered only, see here, this 20 distance from this point up to the last. Okay. Now these vertical lines also I can draw to close the geometry, but it is okay to keep it half geometry. Now machine type, I will select lathe and go to stock setup. It should be 65 mm length extra and diameter is 50. Go to properties in stock. I can use margin command to add the distances as per my requirement, or I can randomly use make from 2 points. This is start point of geometry and this is end point. So here I will click slightly right side of the first point and leftward to the and upward side to the last point. On the left side and on the slightly upward. Check the preview. So this will be raw material. Just okay. Then chuck jaw. So here this type of chuck, and I can use here from stock and directly give the grip length, or just untick this and we can use make from 2 point. So this is last point of geometry and last point of raw material. Between these two, here I will select first point of the particular chuck and last point here. Okay, so like this will be the chuck. Okay, so this is the stock setup for raw material and chuck. will start. Go to tool path and face. Any name, you can give the name for facing operation. Here I will select the tool for facing operation. This one is the tool. Click OK. Then next, rough turning for material removal. Select chain and click on the first line, so it will indicate starting point by green and end point of the geometry by red. Okay, so this is the tool I will select for rough turning. Click OK. So this is rough turning, material removal, but here this groove is not machined. You can check in animation. All the material is removed, but groove is not, groove operation is not done. So for that, just hide this tool path and then next, groove operation. I will use here chain option for this one. Okay. Click OK. And first line, it will show the first point of groove and last point here I will select. Okay, or line, and it will show the last point of the groove. Okay, and this tool I am selecting here for the groove command, and here are feed rate and other parameters. As per the actual machining operation, we have to select this. Like this, grooving operation will be performed. Then next, first of all, we will finish all the operations. Go to tool path and finish. Again chain and select the geometry. So for this, for geometry, for finishing, I will select here this tool for finish turning operation. Okay, so it will have a finish cut. Then select all the tool and check backplot option. Here, just speed it up, and it will show the tool path, grooving operation, and then finish cut like this. Okay, then see the animation. Make it isometric. Here all the operations are done. Okay, complete. Now just we'll use this command G1 to generate NC code for all the operations. Okay, just save this file and replace them. I am replacing the previous file here, and it will generate the G code and N code as visible in this particular file. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.